You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish, meaning I want. The Spanish pronunciation is as quiero, quiero. You could say, for example, quiero comer, I want to eat. Quiero dormir, I want to sleep. Quiero un café, I want a coffee. Quiero. Now, if you say te quiero, it means I love you. It kind of means I want you, meaning I love you. Te quiero is I love you in Spanish. That's the meaning. How to say I love you in Spanish? Te quiero. If you just want to say I want something, it's quiero. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.